Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tuesday, April 21st. I hope you all had a wonderful night and you were able to get outside in the evening. It was pretty nice last night. I went out for a walk and a bike ride with my kids. So I hope you got out to enjoy it as well. Today, make sure and check your announcements. There are some new additions to our announcements page. Um, Daily check-in today, don't forget. I almost had 100% yesterday, but we haven't quite gotten there yet. Math, make sure and check in with your math teacher as well as your math course. If you are unsure of what needs to happen during your math time, you can always contact me and I can help you get squared away and understand what you should be doing. If you are on another team, make sure and check that course because that teacher is not making daily announcements in your homeroom. She's probably making them in your math course. Reading today, we are going to be starting Katie's Trunk, which is the next story in the Voices of the Revolution theme in your orange reading books. And today we'll be learning some new words or reviewing some words that you already know and doing some vocabulary practice and writing a paragraph using those words. You will also be, real-time journals should be up to post 7. Tomorrow I will post prompt number 8. But take your time on those. My goal is this week to get everybody responded to and caught up on. But that's been a slow process, as you can probably guess. Today we are also going to read chapter 6 of Woods Runner. I am not including a discussion post, so we are just reading during our 30 minutes of reading time today. Get that read, think about it, and tomorrow we'll do some discussion with that. And then also in reading, we're working on our Wonder Bubble. Find some time today. Find out a little bit more about Samuel Adams. This afternoon, we do have a language arts meeting. So if you're in my language arts class, you'll need to log into WebEx during that time, 1 to 1:40. We will be talking or learning a little bit about or reviewing paraphrasing and what that means. I've noticed in a lot of our notes, we're taking notes word for word. And I can tell because some of you don't really speak like the notes you've been taking. So we are going to sit down and do a little activity with paraphrasing and also just make sure that everybody understands what paraphrasing is and how we can use that to deepen our understanding of what we're learning and also get it written down so that we can come back to it later on. Social studies today, you'll be doing some reading about the Quartering Act, the Stamp Act, and the Boston Massacre. You'll also, as you're reading, be taking some notes that you'll be using in a choice project that I'll tell you a little bit more about on Thursday. And then also I included a Liberty Kids Shot Heard Around the World video in there. At some point today, if you got time and you find yourself just sitting there watching TV or something, this would be a good show to watch. And then science, I have included no new learning for today just because I want to make sure that you get that finished from yesterday. So as we move down in our announcements page, you'll notice that my WebEx meetings are still listed up here in each of the courses when we do have one. My office hours are still right here, 10 to 11, Monday through Friday, with my WebEx code to enter that. And I want to urge parents, if you guys have questions and you find yourself at 10 or 11 and you'd like a face-to-face conversation, I'm here. Let me know. Let students know and they can let me know also and we can get in contact. Lastly, I thought it was kind of hard to schedule meetings day by day last week. So what I've done is I've created a schedule. Um, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, between 11:30 and 12:40, I will be meeting with kids, and this is individual time. This is time for you to ask questions. This is time for you to, if you need a mini lesson and I need to teach you about force or motion, or you are not sure how to get started on your wonder bubble, whatever the question, this is what these individual check-ins are for. This is a time that you will be able to meet with me and I will be able to meet with you, and we can work together for a little bit and make sure that you're on the right track. You'll see here that there's an orange day for Tuesday, and then the people listed for that day as well as their time is listed right there. We have a blue day, a pink day, and a green day. So the WebEx code is written right over here, as well as the password. If anything comes up today or later on this week, please, please, please let me know. I'm available through email or by Schoology message. I hope that everybody has a nice day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.